everyone, welcome back. The Lexmoto Aero has failed the MOT, and being a 2016 you can't get replacement shocks from Lexmoto or Lextech, the accessories. So I've bought these from Moto, and they are the pattern rear shock 300mm pair pin to pin, and they measure 305mm from that point to that point. That's an M10 sleeve, which is no need for the bottom of the Lexmoto Aero, and that's a 12. So I've then bought a bush kit, AC 4652 Lexmoto shock bush kit complete, and that's an M8, that's an M10, and that's a 12. Now the outer diameters are the same, so the bushings are the same. So I don't need them bits, but I mean it was £9.80 for the bush kit, but I need to push a 10 into where that 12 is. So I'll go do that, and then we can take these down to the Lexmoto for the MOT man to see if he will pass it this time. So because I'm doing this on the hurry up, what I've got is a 16mm socket, which is the size of the rubber bush, rubber grommet, whatever you want to call it, and then the bush I want. So I'm going to give that a little squeeze until the bush starts to go. Focus. So that's the bush I want on the left and the bush I want to kick out on the right. So I'm going to just use the vise and squish that through. I had to be a bit careful because it will get stuck in the socket, because the bush or the sleeve is longer than the socket is deep. But I'll give that a spray with a bit of the old liquid slippery and push that right through. There's the M10 bush in there now. So I'll put the socket back on, I've evicted the other bush, and I'm just going to give that a nip for a mil or two so that I get the same amount of sleeve through either side, and then we can run them down to the MOT man for changing them over. So we're back with the new MOT. There are the Moto shocks. Ride is about right. I think these were rated up to a 300cc bike anyway, and being a 125. There is my best butchery as an upholsterer, and that's the seat rip covered, and the bargain £10 Lextech box. There's his bits, spare bits. So yeah, let's get it over to him and get it out of my hair. So that's the Lexmoto cover. There's the other shock. Quite like them. I like the bush kit as well. That gets you out of a muddle. I podged an exhaust, but wasn't leaking, so I've got an MOT. So cheers for watching.